Hello everyone. In this project, we will learn how a sound sensor works and how we can read sound values using programming blocks. You might have seen corridor lights that automatically turn on when someone makes a sound or walks through the corridor, and then turn off when everything becomes quiet. This happens because a sound sensor is installed in the lighting system. When the sensor detects sound, the light turns on, and when there is no sound, the light turns off. In this project, we will connect a sound sensor to the control board and detect sound from the environment. The sensor will convert sound into an analog value, and we will observe this value using the serial monitor. For this project, we need a control board, an analog sound sensor, an RJ11 cable, and a USB cable. The analog sound sensor is used to detect the loudness of sound in the surrounding environment. It gives an analog output signal that changes depending on how loud the sound is. The sensor also has a small potentiometer that allows us to adjust its sensitivity, meaning we can control how easily it reacts to sound. Now let's understand the blocks used in the program. First, we use the when started block. This block runs the program when the system starts. Next, we use a block to read the analog value from the sound sensor connected to the control board. This block takes the signal from the sensor and converts it into a numeric value. After that, we place this block inside a loop, so the program keeps reading the sound value continuously. Then we use the serial print block to send the sound sensor value to the computer. This allows us to monitor the sound level through the serial monitor. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 9600. You will see numbers appearing on the screen. These numbers represent the sound intensity detected by the sensor. Now try clapping your hands or making a sound near the sensor. Thank you.